Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hi, hello, this is Charlie Jose, and you're watching another episode of Upstream Charlie. In today's episode, we managed to buy again from Lazada is the Suntex Apollo Supreme Max. So this is the expensive one so far among the series of Apollo Supreme from Suntex. Okay, so I bought it from the Suntex flagship store, and we will attempt to unbox this mini soundbar. So what's the specs? It has ABS plastic and metal grill. It has TWS, it has TF, it has microphone. The Bluetooth is version 5, and the battery is 2000 milliamps. Charging time 1 to 2 hours. Playtime is around 6 hours depending on the volume that you use. So let's try to open this one. So this one includes not a type C, but your standard USB micro charger cable. And basically that's it. So what's not included is the manual. It doesn't have a manual, but I do receive the 2 ball pens that they promote in Suntex. So there, nice. Okay, quality build. So let's remove the plastic. Okay. Let's see the look. Okay, so this is the metal mesh, speaker grill, ABS plastic, piano black, very shiny, and it has 2 rubber stoppers. And another one. Let's part this. Okay, so it's a very long mini soundbar speaker. You can see from the lighting on the left and the right side is the 2 10-watt speaker. Okay, according to them, it's 2 10-watt speakers, and there's 2 radiator, as you can see, that's being lit by the LED ring light. Okay, I can see it. Do you see it? At the back, there's not much. There's no I/O, so it's on this side. You have your power, you have your USB stick, you have your TF, and you have your aux. Okay, so that's it. And on the side, there's the power button. On the left side is the mode and the skip files. Okay, left and right on the bottom of the triangle. The base side is the skip files and fast forward. This is pause and play on the right side of the triangle, and on the left side again is the mode and the power. So let's try to turn this mother. Let's try to turn this mother.
Suntex Apollo Supreme Max.
Wow.
Bluetooth mode.
Nice voice. Very refined. Unlike the other voices that we get from other Bluetooth soundbar. Let's try to turn it off. If there's a off. Okay, there's an off sound effect. Okay, let's do that again. Turn it off. And then turn it on.
Suntex Apollo Supreme Max. Bluetooth mode.
Cool. And then you have the LED ring light in the middle. So I guess this is also for volume control. So since it's already turned on, let's try to connect it with our Bluetooth. That's the initial sound testing for the Suntex Apollo Supreme Max. Okay, so far so good. The packaging, again, they're rushing it again whenever they have a new product and they don't put their branding again. And they haven't put their branding again on the product itself. So the product is amazing, and the build is very good, and the speaker is also very good. So anyway, that's the initial testing. We will do further testing in the near future. So we'll have a full review of this product. Again, this is Charlie Jose saying thank you very much for watching this episode and see you on the next video. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.